Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to talk to you about how you can use and do the reporting in Monday.com. This is just introduction video to reporting. This is not something like advanced reporting, so if you're looking for advanced reporting you need to find a different video. So the first thing that I'm going to show you is how we can do it. The best way how we can do it is just easily using a dashboard. So let's say I'm going to click here plus add a view, and I'm going to add a dashboard. In the dashboard, I would add a widget of various charts and numbers. So click dashboard, and here you can see, so visualize your board data, and we are going to do it. So we are going to add a chart widget, let's say. Then we can also add a number widget. So let's click here on the chart. When we click here on the chart, we have option to simply choose between a pie, a line, a stacked bar, or simply a bar or a column. So that's pretty straightforward what we can do here. And how we can use it. Then you're gonna find the x-axis, and you can simply switch between the group, board, name, task. Owner, contact, deal value. So let's say I have a name or a group, or by a task or owner. So you can like simply switch between, and then you have the y-axis, right? So you can have like, let's say, deal value. So closed one is 280 and 270 is the active deal. So here you can simply switch between the x-axis and y-axis. Then you're gonna find the benchmark lines. So number value can be, let's say, C, and in a moment automatically you will add a benchmark. So that's also pretty good what you can do. And the next thing what you can do is simply benchmark line label. You can easily add here, right? Let's say to be profitable. And right now I can see the IM, and then I have more settings. So I can show only the bottom items. I can show cumulative data. And then I have like top group, active deals, closed one. So you can like which one you want to actually show. So this is pretty much how we do it, and this is how you can create like a chart in a dashboard. Now then you can simply add a numbers. So I can click here and change the unit. Then if it's going to be average, medium, minimum, max, count, and again I can click on the settings. So what I would to actually have a deal value, a deal length, close probability, forecast value. So again you can like actual deal value, right? So that's something you can do here in numbers. And here is numbers. What you can also add is to simply click here more widgets, and let's say I'm going to add also a text, and I can add and make it like this. Right, and I can write a text. This is a reporting dashboard about sales, and I can make it in the middle. And then just like create what I want to create. Of course, like look at this, I have the monthly forecast by accounts here. And then I have the annual goal here. So let's say I'm going to click here and settings, how is set up. So first thing first, we will go to X axis and I have group by month. Then deals is going to be close date. So you can like always recreate what you see here, forecast, and you can duplicate the widget. So even the pre-created are good one. Then you have something like called annual goal here that you can use. So again, that's pretty simple. When you would come here to dashboard, add the widget, and you can find plenty of goals like workload even. That's something interesting. You can add a battery. Goals beta. I can add a widget. I'm going to show you how you can do that too. So again, you would just like click here on three dots, settings, and then this would be a name. Then you would add a goal value. It's going to be 20 million right now, and calculate progress as sum. And then you have option to pick a column to track as a goal, close probability, deal value, and then you choose the units, if it has to be euro or dollar, etc. So here you can, this is how you can do it here. Then you're gonna find the monthly forecast by accounts. It's also pretty straightforward. So you can group it by month. Then you have the chart bar here. So I come here, three dots. And you can really play around it as much as you want. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much guys for watching. You need to like use it and play around based on the data you have. I hope you are going to have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.